Choose the correct answer when a parallel plate capacitor connected with a battery and the plates are moving close to each other. It's known that the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor can be calculated using a formula C is equal epsilon naught A divided by T. Whereas D is representing the distance between the two plates, A is representing the value of area, whereas epsilon naught is representing the permittivity of a free space constant. Here, option A is given as the charges stored in it increase. It's known that the charge of a parallel plate capacitor can be calculated using a formula C dot V, where C is representing the capacitance, V is representing the voltage. Since the battery is connected, if the capacitance increases, of course, there will be the increase in the charge also. So here we can say option A given here is a correct statement. Whereas option B is given as the energy stored in it decreases. It's known that the energy stored in a capacitor can be calculated using a formula U is equal half CV square. It's known that C is inversely proportional to D. So when the distance is reducing, what will happen to the capacitance? The capacitance will increase. When the capacitance is increasing, what will happen to the energy? The energy will also increase, but it's given in the question, it's decreasing. So it should get increase only. So we can say option B given here is a wrong statement. Whereas option C is given as its capacitance increases. It's known that capacitance is inversely proportional to the distance. So here, if the distance is reduced, the capacitance will increase. So the statement C given here is correct one. Let us check statement D. It's given that the ratio of charge to its potential remains same. The ratio of charge and voltage is nothing but the capacitance. Since the capacitance increases when the plates are moving closer, the Q over V ratio will not remain same. So we can say this statement is also wrong. Whereas option E is given as the product of charge and voltage increases. The product of charge and voltage is nothing but the energy stored in the capacitor. U is equal half CV square. So since C increases because of the reducing of distance between a plate, the V remains constant. So we can say the product of Q and V, which is nothing but the energy stored in the capacitor, will also increase. So statement E given here is also correct. So statement A, C and E are the correct statement regarding the parallel plate capacitor connected with a battery and they are moving close to each other. So we can say the correct option here is option D.